Hi everyone, I want to invite you to the Rejuvenation Summit Hair Lab. It's a 2-day virtual summit that we put together, and it brings in all the professionals that are involved in hair restoration, in care for hair, in regenerating hair. So if you're someone who suffers from hair loss, if you're someone who's treating people who suffer from hair loss, if you're in the field of hair and hair care, then this is the summit for you. You're going to get all of the information that you need regarding how to prevent hair loss, how to restore hair loss, what are the non-surgical things you can do, what are the surgical things you can do, what are nutritional things that are important, what are some myths and some truths about hair loss and hair restoration. So this is going to be wonderful. I hope to see you guys there.